So previously we've been talking about applications of percent problems where we use the percent times the whole amount equals the part. For a majority of your percent problems, that is what you're going to use. But there is a special type of percent problem called an interest problem where you're going to use a completely different formula. So first I want to talk a little bit about what interest is. There's two different types of interest that you might have heard of before. Positive interest that's good for us, is if we have something like a savings account where we earn money just for keeping our money in the bank because we're earning interest. So they're giving us money for using their bank and storing our money there. That's good interest. The negative interest that a lot of us might have is when we have a credit card, we add interest to the amount of money that we owe the bank. And anytime you have a loan, like a mortgage loan or a car loan, I owe more money to the lender because I'm borrowing their money. So that's bad for me. So it could be good or bad, but either way, I'm going to use this interest formula. So let's talk about that formula and put it to work. So the interest formula that you're going to use is I equals PRT. Now that doesn't mean much to us right now, so let's figure out what those stand for. So I is going to be our interest, okay? So that could be the amount that we earn if it's in a savings account, or it could be the amount we owe the bank if we're borrowing money, okay? But this is always going to be a dollar amount. It's amount we earn or amount we owe. The P stands for the principal, okay? And that's going to be the amount of money we put in. So the amount of money that we put in our savings account to start, or it could be the amount of money that we borrow. So I'm going to add that here. So the amount of money we borrow or the amount of money we put in. That's our principal. Our R is going to be our rate, and that's basically just the percent. So if I have a savings account, I want